this logic. Hey, back and I'm better.
Baby, give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby. I'll turn you on. Just make sure you're ready, baby. Cause I'm down for anything. Tell me when you're ready.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, back and I'm better. Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on next up. Be damned if a little catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you've been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen. Done. Play this song for him. Done.
Okay, so y'all, we at the mall and it's packed, period. Cause y'all know it's gonna be Father's Day tomorrow.
No more clothes.
It's a lot of people. But we just looking for them some gifts for Father's Day. Akira 5. Ooh, this skirt is so cute. Look at this skirt.
In Vegas. You mean Miami?
I got buffalo chicken fries. It's good, but they workers was like slow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, now I'm at the nail shop getting my feet and nails done. But I'm gonna get these soaked off, get a manicure.
Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be driven. Play this song for him, just listen. Say the kids don't play games, and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in a day. So far, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't gon' sink. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby, when you get space, big gang, give me legs, baby, that's gonna trade.
Okay, I just got my nails done. They look cute. My ring. My toes look so funny. Like, I have funny looking toes, y'all. Like, and then why did she shake my toe like that? It's just too much, literally. Because why is my toe shaped like that? I'm so hairy because of my father, and I blame him every time. I'm going to blame him every time, because why did he have to come out hairy? Now I'm hairy. Like, I look like a monkey. I look like a monkey. Oh, because of him. That's crazy. But yeah, we just over here at my cousin's house right now. These look kind of white this way. Like, that's from the sun. Let me try to focus it. But I was really going for like that pastel yellow, real summer vibes. Tomorrow we're going to the beach. We're gonna be at the beach all day tomorrow, y'all. So, you know, have to get my nails done. But right now we're gonna just go to the grocery store and get some more food, some food and stuff for tomorrow, I guess. And yeah, I don't know, I'm probably not gonna vlog at the grocery store because I'm not grocery shopping by myself, so like, who cares? But yeah, but yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Hi guys, it's the next day, and this what I got on. It's just a silver like bikini, and we finna get ready to go to the beach. But I'm just waiting on mom and them to come and get me, because I was gonna take an Uber, but they talking about $40, and mom and them, they don't live that far. They live like 15 minutes away. It should not be $40 to go 15 minutes away. But yeah, so I'm just waiting on them, and I think I'm all ready. Actually, I need to go do my skincare. I already washed my face, but I didn't like put on my sunscreen, my toner, serum, all that. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go do. And this is how my hair is. It's giving clean girl look. I was gonna wear a necklace, but I'm kind of indecisive. So y'all, this is my outfit. Just like real cute, real pretty. But I'll talk to y'all when I get to the beach. Bye, y'all. Okay, so y'all, we're finally at the beach.
Why y'all camera look like that?
Setting up. And real hot out here. I'm shining, 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 yeah. All this money. Okay, y'all. Y'all really got my mama sleeping. Like, ooh. Let me tell y'all the beach. They got jet skis. They got this. There's a lot of people here too. Y'all, we out here. Period. We're not nowhere. Period. I'm laying in a tent.